Do you ever feel like your business communication is stuck in the Stone Age? Are you juggling a separate phone system, video conferencing platform, and messaging app, desperately trying to keep track of conversations across multiple channels? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced business world, fragmented communication isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a major roadblock to productivity, collaboration, and ultimately, success. Imagine a world where all your communication tools are seamlessly integrated, accessible from anywhere, and designed to simplify your workday. For years, businesses have grappled with the complexities of managing disparate communication systems. The cost of maintaining multiple vendors, the headache of integrating different software, and the constant struggle to ensure everyone is on the same page can be overwhelming. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about the very core of how your business operates. When communication is clunky and disconnected, it leads to missed opportunities, frustrated employees, and a less than stellar customer experience. Think about it. A client calls your office line, but you're out of the office and the call goes to voicemail. Then they send an email and you respond hours later. Meanwhile, your team is trying to collaborate on a project through a separate chat application. The threads are messy, information gets lost, and deadlines get pushed. This is the reality for many businesses, and it's a reality that RingCentral is designed to change. So, if you're ready to ditch the communication chaos and embrace a more streamlined, efficient, and ultimately more profitable way of working, then stick around. Because today, we're diving deep into the top 5 reasons why RingCentral should be your go-to communication solution. Get ready to discover how this powerful platform can transform the way you connect, collaborate, and conquer your business goals. Reason number 5. Unifying your communications under one roof. Let's kick things off with a massive benefit. RingCentral brings all your communication tools together in one place. No more switching between different apps for phone calls, video conferences, team messaging, and even faxing. Imagine having a single desktop or mobile application where you can initiate a call, jump into a video meeting with a click, send a quick message to a colleague, or even receive a fax, all without missing a beat. This unification isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a cohesive communication ecosystem. When everything is integrated, your team can collaborate more effectively, information flows seamlessly, and nothing falls through the cracks. Think about the time saved by not having to open and close multiple applications throughout the day. Consider the reduced mental fatigue of knowing exactly where to go for any communication need. This consolidated approach drastically simplifies your workflow and boosts overall productivity, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Reason number 4. Flexibility and mobility for the modern workforce. In today's globalized and increasingly remote world, flexibility isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. RingCentral shines bright here, offering unparalleled flexibility and mobility. Your business phone system isn't tied to a physical desk or location. With RingCentral, your office travels with you. Whether you're working from home, a co-working space, or a coffee shop across the globe, you can make and receive calls, participate in meetings, and respond to messages just as if you were in the office. This is crucial for businesses with remote teams, employees who travel frequently, or even just those who want the freedom to work outside traditional office hours. The mobile app is robust and intuitive, ensuring that you're always connected and productive, no matter where you are. This level of accessibility empowers your team to be more responsive, more efficient, and ultimately, more available to your clients and colleagues. It truly redefines what it means to be in the office. Reason number 3. Advanced features that boost productivity. RingCentral isn't just about the basics. It's packed with advanced features designed to supercharge your productivity. We're talking about features like intelligent call routing, which ensures calls go to the right person every time, minimizing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. There's also voicemail-to-text transcription, so you can quickly scan your voicemails without having to listen to each one. Team messaging includes robust file sharing, task management, and searchable conversation history, making collaboration a breeze. Video conferencing offers screen sharing, whiteboarding, and breakout rooms, facilitating dynamic and engaging meetings. Beyond that, RingCentral integrates with popular business applications like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, and Google Workspace, further streamlining your workflows and ensuring your communication platform works seamlessly with the tools you already use every day. These aren't just bells and whistles. They're powerful tools that genuinely enhance your team's efficiency and effectiveness, allowing them to get more done in less time. Reason number 2, scalability to grow with your business. One of the biggest challenges for growing businesses is finding solutions that can scale with their evolving needs. RingCentral excels in this area, offering incredible scalability. Whether you're a small startup with a handful of employees or a large enterprise with thousands, RingCentral can effortlessly accommodate your growth. Adding new users is simple and straightforward, and you can easily adjust your features and plans as your requirements change. You don't have to worry about outgrowing your communication system or undergoing complex, costly migrations as your business expands. This forward-thinking approach means you can invest in RingCentral today with confidence, knowing that it will continue to meet your communication needs far into the future. It's a solution that grows with you, eliminating the headaches and expenses associated with platform limitations. Reason number 1, enhanced customer experience and satisfaction. And finally, the number 1 reason to choose RingCentral. It dramatically enhances your customer experience and satisfaction. Think about it. When your internal communications are seamless and efficient, it directly translates to better service for your customers. With features like integrated contact centers, IVR systems, and detailed call analytics, you can ensure that every customer interaction is professional, efficient, and personalized. Callers are directed to the right department quickly. Agents have access to relevant customer information, and issues are resolved faster. Furthermore, the ability to communicate with customers through their preferred channels, be it voice, chat, or video, provides a superior and more convenient experience. When your customers feel heard, valued, and efficiently served, their satisfaction skyrockets, leading to increased loyalty, repeat business, and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Ultimately, RingCentral empowers you to deliver an exceptional customer journey, which is invaluable for any business looking to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.